Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and so today is going to be my paycheck to paycheck video for June 2nd paycheck. And if you are interested in watching how I do this digital budget, please stay tuned. All right, everyone. So this is the actual planner that I am using. If you watched my previous video, you are aware that I am utilizing this paycheck planner to do my budgeting. So for this particular paycheck, let me go in here because this is a new setup for me. Let's see. We are looking at June 25th. Let me bring it down just a little bit. Okay. So for the income, it is going to be payroll. I always do it because if I don't have any other source of income, actual is going to be 1611.32. And now we're going to look at the budgeted expenses. So we have, of course, the credit union. This is for my loan, and that is 105, and I'll put as actual because we know that that is always coming out. My savings, my goal is to save 140, and that automatically comes out as well. Chime, I take out 100, and then I have a project fund account where I use to do any type of um, God, what is I'm thinking of? Any type of work to the house. So that's $100. And then I have my insurance for my vehicle that's due this pay cycle, and that is I'm budgeting 176.24. And then we have the light bill, and I am budgeting 366.13. And then cell phone bill, because this is coming up on the next pay period. It'll be due for that check, for it'll be due the first week of July, so it has to come out of this pay cycle, and that is going to be $35. Then we have cable. This is going to actually be budgeting 105 for that. And then I'm doing my federal student loan, budgeting, well, actual 4101. And then, of course, my cash envelopes. And that is actual 360. That will be budgeted. And I know I had to do an advancement. I took it out of my savings account, but I know that I was getting ready. I was coming up for getting paid, so I said, okay, well, I'll replace it. So let me go in and put that $60 in there so that can come out as well. So now what I'm going to do is go in and add these up. Let me see if I could do this. This kind of, oh goodness, this kind of, I'm trying to get used to doing this. It's a little bit, ooh, it's a little bit nerve wracking. That's why I don't really do it. Let's see. All right, guys. So that took forever and a day for me to get that set up. So let's add up the actual expenses that's scheduled to come out. 105 plus 140 plus 100 plus 100 plus 176.24 plus 366.13 plus 35 plus 105 plus 4101 plus 360 plus 60. So 1588.38 is the total expenses, $1,588.38. So now I'm going to take this and I am going to take it away from the net income, which is at 1611.32. That shows I should have $22.94 left. So with that being said, that's not a lot, but it is what it is. So we are in the green for this upcoming pay cycle. Of course, my goal is to let's do it in this color. My goal is to pay extra on student loan. And that's not a lot that's left over, but I could take that little bit that is left over and apply that towards the student loan payment. So basically that is it for this paycheck to paycheck video for 625. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. Also, as well as comment, share, and most importantly, if you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button and subscribe and join this channel. Thanks. Bye, everyone.